2015 SL400, check engine light. We've got faults for a cylinder 4 misfire, so I'm going to move some coils around and see what it does. All right, we moved cylinder 4's coil to cylinder 6 and cylinder 4's plug to cylinder 5. Ooh, still on 4. Interesting. Misfire. So I moved cylinder 4's coil to cylinder 6 and cylinder 4's spark plug to cylinder 5. Misfire stayed on cylinder 4. So this morning I ran an electronic compression test. So you can see here, cylinder 4 misfire is quite a bit higher on that RPM scale than everybody else. So I followed it up with a manual compression test as seen here, which left us with about 130 psi. Wear limit on the 276 is 10 bar or about 145 psi. So set it to TDC, hooked up the cylinder leakage tester, and we're rocking about 70% leak down. And if we look right down here, I pulled the O2 sensor out and put a little piece of rag in front of the hole so you can visually see it, but you see that rag flapping back and forth. So it looks like we got a leaking exhaust valve, a burnt valve seat, something of that nature. So hope that answers y'all's questions.